Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is V. Narayanan appointed ISRO chairman. V. Narayanan has been appointed as the new chairman of the Indian Space Research Organization and secretary of the Department of Space. V. Narayanan will assume office on 14th January. He will succeed the current ISRO chairman S. Somnath. He has been appointed to serve in these roles for the next 2 years until further notice. Drishti IAS is elated to announce new offline batches for IAS GS Foundation course covering both prelims and mains at its Noida center. The English medium batch starts from 9th of January while the Hindi medium batch starts from 16th of January. For more information, call us at 87501 87501. Key details of V. Narayanan's career. Currently, Narayanan is the director of the Liquid Propulsion Systems Center, one of the major centers of the Indian Space Research Organization, having its headquarters at Valimala in Thiruvananthapuram with a unit in Bangalore. He is a distinguished scientist with nearly 4 decades of experience in rocket and spacecraft propulsion. He contributed to the process planning, process control and realization of ablative nozzle systems, composite motor cases and composite igniter cases. He is a rocket and spacecraft propulsion expert and joined ISRO in 1984 and functioned in various capacities before becoming director of LPSC. Contributions to ISRO. Narayanan played a crucial role in the development and realization of key propulsion systems for various ISRO rockets, including the ASLV, PSLV and sounding rocket. As director, Narayanan has led one of ISRO's major centers, significantly contributing to the advancement of liquid propulsion technologies. His work in spacecraft propulsion has been pivotal in ISRO's space exploration and satellite launch missions. Now it's time for the practice question. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of ISRO? S. Somnath, V. Narayanan, K. Sivan or R. Sivan? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.